First of all, the conference here is amazing. You have thousands of people trying to ask a pretty simple question and get an answer to that question, which is, I spent a lot of time and money embarking on this new infrastructure for data. I've spent it in the cloud, I've spent it with new data platforms, but what about my end users? How do I make all of this relevant to the world of my business users, make their lives better, make their lives more easy, and what products are going to help me pull all of that change in technology through for them? Sigma is magic for the normal person, right? I had a skill since 1985, which is to put something in a spreadsheet. They know how to do calculations, they build pivot tables, they know VLOOKUPs, and we made all of those skills relevant in the modern cloud era. What I hope people take away from the conference, to not simply replicate what they used to do with the new technology, to think about what's now possible. Where are the bottlenecks in my business? Where have I not created the enablement that I would like to? Where could I be going faster? So I hope people walk away thinking about, okay, what's the best possibility for my future? What are the things that I'm not already doing, but I would really love to do completely differently based on all the changes I've made? And if they can walk away with those new ideas, I think they're going to get a lot of benefit of what they see here today. One of the biggest things folks are coming to the conference to think about is AI. And here's where we're going to make a huge difference again for those end users. The first thing that we want customers thinking about is infrastructure. How do I make my AI journey extensible and scalable? AI is going to change over the next few years. We don't know what it's going to look like. As you're making AI investments today, it shouldn't be in point solutions, it should be in platforms, so that as the change happens, you're easily and quickly able to adopt it. The second area that we're really focused on is, as those changes happen, how do we make them relevant to end users? How do we make AI a part of your core business workflow for everyone at the company? So answering that, how am I going to go about my AI transition, is a key focus for Sigma.